Well, hey there, friends. I'm glad to see you today. Doesn't that trail just look inviting? Like it's waiting for us to take the first step. I brought something along for the walk today. Let's see what this little bag has in store. You know, being out here in the woods takes me back. Back to scraped knees, muddy shoes. Back to days when the world felt big. When a trail like this was a whole new land to discover. There was a time when a stick could be a sword. A tree was a fortress. Every rustle in the leaves was something magical. And even though I'm older now, being here, I still feel that wonder. Never really left. Just got quiet. These woods, they've seen generations come and go. No matter how many years pass, they always welcome us back like an old friend. Ooh. Well, now would you look at that? Iron leaves. Like it belongs right here in the forest. Standing beside the trees. Watching over it all. What a beautiful pull. Thanks for being here with me today. I hope your own trail brings you peace. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious. As always, may your packs be full of wonder.